Hello and welcome to this channel about job. So today in this video I will share with you a latest openings from Oman. If you are interested to apply for this job, please keep watching this video till the end and let's know for the recent job openings from Oman. If these requirements will be eligible for you, of course you can apply for these jobs and you can get a job in Oman. So let's focus what is the jobs from Oman. Electrical control engineer required in Oman. So if you are belongs to electrical engineer professionals, don't be late. Let's note these informations and apply as soon as possible. This is the urgent vacancies for electrical control engineer from Oman. Location Sultanate of Oman. Designations electrical control engineer. Number of vacancies 5. Salary did not declare after getting success from interview. Of course the company will discuss with you. Gender only male candidate can be applied. Age limit should be 25 to 40. Job category electrical engineer. Electrical engineering preferred jobs technicians, maintenance technician, electrical. Interview date will inform. Interview venue. Educational requirements electrical and control engineering. Accommodations ticket annual levy will be provided by the company. Specific requirements. The job descriptions as follows: university degree in electrical engineering, utilities in real-time operations of power system and control, good knowledge of safety procedures, in particular electrical safety rules, working knowledge of automatic generations control and energy management systems. So friends, please keep in mind, this is very important. This is the requirements, basic needs to apply for this job. So you should keep in mind, you should have the proper qualifications and proper experience in the relevant field to apply for this job. If you are interested, please forward your updated CV to the given official email ID. After you sending your CV, if your CV will be utilized for interview, of course, you will get a notifications for interview. After that, you have to attend the interview. Once you crack the interview, they will guide you what is the next steps to get this job. So let's move to the next job. Heavy duty driver required in Oman. Title heavy duty driver. Locations Salah, Oman. Designations heavy duty driver. Number of vacancies 30. 30 drivers requirements. Heavy duty drivers in Oman. Gender only male. Age limit should be 25 to 35. Not more than that 35. Job category heavy duty driver. Preferred jobs heavy duty driver. Interview venue will be declared. Educational should be minimum 10 standard. Other benefits: free accommodations, transportations and annual leaves from company. Other specific requirements: valid driving license from ROP and PDO. Experience in related field. This is very important. If you are interested to apply to work as a heavy duty driver in Oman, you should have the proper license and you should have the relevant experience. If you have the proper experience and proper requirements as per the employer, then you can send your CV to the given official email ID. Next job, ITI fitter required in Oman. Urgent requirement for ITI fitter for leading company in Oman. Location Sultanate of Oman. Designations ITI fitter. Number of vacancies 10. Salary ranges 28,000 to 29,000 Indian currencies, Indian rupees. For these positions, the company declared the salary, so it's a good things for you. If you are a fresher and if you are satisfied with this salary and if you are interested to work as a ITI fitter, of course you can apply for these jobs by forward your updated CV to given official email ID. But please keep in mind, for the applications that declare 15 Jan, but still their requirement, they are accepting the applications. If you are interested, please forward your updated CV. If it's finished, it's okay. And if the next time will come for these positions, of course they will inform you. But my suggest, please forward your updated CV to given official email ID. In the next future, of course they will inform you if your CV will be reached in their database. So friends, today in this video I already shared with you different job openings like I-type fitter and like heavy duty driver and electrical control engineer. So if you are interested to apply any of these three jobs and if you have the proper qualifications and experience, don't be late. If you have a golf experience, of course you can apply for these jobs. Your application will be easily accepted. And if you are a fresher, of course you can try for this. So I hope this information will be helpful for your careers, and please share this information to your friends and relatives. Of course it will be valuable for them. So finally, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video I will come with a latest job openings from another country. After that, best of luck. Bye bye.